Drywall finishing is hard work. Why make it harder? Repetitive motions like manual hand pumping can cause fatigue, along with wear and tear on your body. Now, the pump experts at Graco have developed a better solution that will reduce fatigue to minimize injuries, maximize productivity, and eliminate the need to hand pump forever. Introducing the Graco PowerFill 3.5 cordless loading pump, the industry's first and only battery-powered loading pump, designed to quickly and easily fill all your taping tools, finishing boxes, corner tools, nail spotters, even your hawks and trays with the simple push of a button. PowerFill 3.5's lightweight compact design allows it to be positioned anywhere for maximum versatility and easy transport. And there is a PowerFill series that is perfect for every business. The Standard Series features: the PowerStroke pump delivers an adjustable delivery rate, filling at a consistent speed, up to 3.5 gallons per minute, all day, every day, while lasting 4 times longer than any manual pump. Graco's exclusive ProConnect technology allows toolless removal of the power head, so you can leave the pump in the mud overnight and easily wash wetted components and parts. The PowerFill 3.5's brushless DC motor is built to go the distance with incredible power, a maintenance-free design, and ProControl technology to adjust motor and pump speed for total control of material delivery. The PowerFill cordless loading pump is built job site tough, with fully sealed silicone switches, an impact-resistant polypropylene shell, an all-aluminum chassis, and hardened steel gears to provide extended life. The adjustable stabilizer leg adjusts to any bucket height. This heavy-duty stabilizer works with standard 5-gallon buckets or shorter mud buckets, while always keeping the pump inlet at the bottom of the container. The Pro Series includes additional features, such as the ergonomically designed high-rise fill tube lets you stand comfortably while filling. Simply rotate and lock the outlet to any position, including right over the bucket, to contain drips and eliminate mess. Precision Fill technology makes it even easier to refill your tools or mud containers to preset levels. Just hit the program button, fill, and lock in your setting. Precision Fill automatically repeats the fill all day long, regardless of battery condition or speed setting. The Pro Series is also available in a 30-gallon size for filling from larger containers. And all PowerFill 3.5 cordless loading pumps are powered by a DeWalt 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, providing effortless all-day pumping with up to 55 gallons on a single charge. Finish all of your jobs faster and easier, and never hand pump again. Work smarter, not harder, with PowerFill 3.5 cordless loading pumps. They're new, and they're only from Graco.